Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for you guys to smash that like button, and if it's your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video, and our chart analysis here with 42 Vision, and you can be up to date on what's going on here with the charts and stocks. So here we are with Rdbx, Redbox Entertainment Inc., and the stock is pulling downwards, breaking through a key support level, bouncing back above it, and this is a lot of volatility that we got going on, right? But Rdbx, while it went upwards, the overall market continued to go lower. Now our SPY bot since Friday, right before the close, sent us a bear indicator, and from that moment forward into the aftermarket, today's pre-market and after the bell, it continued to go lower, and put options went up 200% plus within hours, and this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets in either direction. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize whether stocks are going up or going down by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So Rdbx here, slightly pulling downwards, trying to build support. We're going to talk about some key levels and what the charts are showing. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of our growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So this is the one stock I was watching this morning, DAWN, and it turned out to give a home run opportunity within minutes. This was under a bull indicator on 42 Vision. Full strength here in the pre-market, consolidating and going into strength, and up towards the bell, it gave a highest point of 25% plus. After the bell, pulled back down, consolidated, and had another jump of strength, plus a bull indicator, giving another jump of 15 to 20% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, join us. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Rdbx, and as I stated earlier in the video, had an explosive move to the upside, consolidation, pulled itself back down, and it is trying to hold strength here, right guys? We're gonna talk about some key levels and what's going on in the chart. When you zoom out, we could see how much strength there has been after the recent consolidation from the 8th to the 10th, and on Friday, things got explosive to the upside, and it led up towards today, right? So right now in the bigger picture, there's still some strength here, but this is a really quick transition towards red bars, and we need to talk about what 42 Vision is showing. Now, I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities. And you can now join the members using these resources, maximizing in either direction by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts. So when you zoom out, as we stated, you could see the big move out of this consolidation. This was the first bear indicator that we had popped up since June 6th, when that first bull indicator popped up with strength here, going into the momentum above 10, and it canceled out on Friday, which we were looking for that, with the bull indicator at around $9.70. And even though things are very volatile today, there still hasn't been a bear indicator on the 30-minute chart to cancel it out, okay? But I'm still watching this closely because on lower time frames, things have picked up with some volatility. But we're going to zoom out first, and then we're going to zoom in to a lower time frame such as the 15-minute and even the 5-minute today to see what it's showing. So when we come over to the 4-hour, it's been under a bull indicator since 688 and full strength here in the whole entire process, right? We only saw red borders with these bright green bars on June 9th, and right now it's still green with green, even though this bar is a smaller bar than the previous, which could sometimes mean a transition to the downside, right? Once it begins, or a consolidation, right? As you could see right here, and even in the history of the chart right here, once the bar started becoming smaller, the thing started to get weaker, right? So we need to watch this carefully on the 4-hour. Now on the 1 day, it is still strong under a bull indicator since 411, and it went to highs today of $18, $17 plus, right? And now we are here sitting at around 1620, and this bar is larger than the previous. We want this actually to continue, right? This back-to-back. Now, the last time it ran up, it had 3 of these back-to-back, and also once the bull indicator popped up in April, 4 of these back-to-back. Right now, we are on our 4th and 5th one in this run. So we need to see if it's going to slow down eventually before the next leg up, or the beginning of a pullback that we need to monitor and watch closely if it cancels out this bull indicator on the 1 day and on the 4-hour, right? So when we go back down towards the 15-minute, we got a bear indicator, and this is something I want to talk about. This is within the volatility, right? This bull indicator popped up on June 9th. Things went into strength on the 10th, consolidated, went higher, consolidated, and we went into red bars. If this breaks through the support today, which is the low of the day, 1424, this could go down back towards $12. And we need to watch this very carefully if the bulls try to reappear and bring it back up, or if the bears are tearing this down really fast. Now, what I'm going to be watching on the 15-minute on 42 vision is if this bear indicator can get canceled out pretty quickly before it pops up on the 30-minute, right? Because right now the 30-minute does not have a bear indicator, as you could tell. It is just red bars. This bull indicator is still dominating. But back towards the 15-minute, we want to see this break back above these levels here before it started to fall, which was 1731. And in the midway point before that, 1620, right? We want to see these areas get broken through, and also a cancellation of this bear indicator on the 15-minute within the move, right? Getting a bull indicator in the process. Now, if I pull up the 5-minute, you could see that a little bit earlier, a bear indicator did pop up. Even earlier in the day, a bull indicator. So a lot more volatility here between these charts and in this time frame, but it is under a bear indicator as well. And in this move back up, we want to see a bull indicator pop up as well to cancel out the 15-minute one, and also avoid the 30-minute, the 4-hour, and all the other time frames from seeing one as well, because the 30-minute right now is just at red bars, consolidating and trying to hold itself up, and still under a bull indicator. That can change any moment, so something to watch. It already popped up on the 5-minute bear indicators and on the 15-minute since the beginning of this run, and it's important to watch if it rolls over into the 30-minute and the larger time frames. That's the main thing I'm going to be watching live in the action within the charts with 42 vision and Rdbx. Now, to the downside again, 1423 is the support. If that gets broken through, the next one is down here at 1220. I'll be watching within those areas if the bulls try to reappear. And as I stated earlier in the video, if the bears continue to tear it down, and to the upside, we want to break above 1720, 1730, give or take. And then the highs of the day up here at 1818 to 1820, give or take, and break out to newer highs. When you zoom out though, this is near some of the levels where it actually started back in October of 2021, right? It needs to break back above $19, $20 before this starts to actually take off to newer highs. And the highest point that we've seen it in the whole entire 52-week range is $27. So if it breaks above 27, that will be epic. But we need to see what's going on here at these higher levels where weakness is starting to show up. And this could either be profit taking, shorts trying to reshort, or overall just momentum and volatility slowing down and setting up for the next bull run. And that's why these levels matter. And I'm going to be watching on 42 vision, specifically on the 30-minute, if a bear indicator pops up that cancels out this one here, because the 15-minute is more volatile. On the 4-hour, on the 1 day, we don't have one yet, but popping up on the 30-minute could start to roll over in the bigger picture. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.